Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the phonetics, how the sound comes from our mouth that we have discussed, how the mouth organs are play crucial role in the delivering the sound that we have discussed. We know what are the mouth organs are involving to create the different sound that also we have discussed. In English, later we went for the phonetic sounds in English. In English, we know 26 alphabet we have. These 26 alphabet consisted with the 44 sounds that we have discussed. These 44 sounds segregated into two types. One is vowel sound and another one is the consonant sound. We know how many vowel sounds we have that we have discussed in the previous class. We have 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. In English, we have 26 alphabet. These 26 alphabet consisted with the 44 sounds. 44 sounds again classified into two types. One is vowel sound and another one is a consonant sound. We have 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. In the previous class, we have finished what are monophthongs, what are pure vowels that we have finished in the previous class. We have 20 vowel sounds in English. These 20 vowel sounds classified into two types. One is monophthong and another one is diphthong. In the previous class, we have finished about the monophthongs. Monophthong means consisted with a single vowel sound. It doesn't mix it with another vowel sound. That's why we are calling them as a pure vowels. We have 12 pure vowels in English that we have discussed, that we have finished with the examples, how the sound, how it has to be pronounced, how it has to be written, what is the symbol of the diphthongs, what is the symbol of the monophthongs, that we have discussed in the previous class. In the previous class, we have finished 12 monophthongs. We know the symbol, how to write the 12 monophthongs in the previous class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about diphthongs. Okay, now we are going to discuss about diphthong. What is the meaning of diphthong? We know monophthong. What is the meaning of monophthong? We know mono means single. We are getting only single vowel sound. That's why we are calling them as a monophthongs. I'm asking you, what is the meaning of diphthongs? Before we going to know about the meaning, let us know the origin of this word. Diphthong come from the Greek word that is diphthongos, which means having two sound. The word diphthongs come from the Greek word that means having two sounds. What is the Greek word for this? Greek word for this diphthongs? Diphthongos. It means what? It is having two sounds. Diphthongs is a combination of a two vowel sounds. It's called as a diphthong. What is the meaning of diphthong? Diphthong is a combination of a two vowel sounds. Please notice the word diphthong. Die. We are noticing die here. Die means what? Double. So diphthongs are double vowel sounds in words. In words, we get two vowel sounds together. Two vowel sounds comes in a word, that is why we are calling them as a diphthong. They means what? Double. So diphthongs are double vowel sounds in words. Specifically, when it starts as one vowel sound and goes to the another, likely the sound oi as in oil, and voice. Here in the word oil we are getting two vowel sounds, o, e, o, e. Two vowels are coming together. Voice, ois, a and e are coming together. That's why we are calling them as a diphthongs. One sound is specifically it is generating at the particular place on our tongue and it is going and it is ending at another sound. If you look at the diagram, we know what diagram received pronunciation, received pronunciation. We know this is the diagram. If you draw this on your tongue, in the previous class also we have discussed about this diagram. At exact part of our tongue, at that place, while you are pronouncing these vowels, that part of our tongue becomes a little bit strong. It glides. Okay, for example, in the previous class we have discussed about the 12 pure vowels, right? So we know what are the pure vowels. E, E, A, Ya. And back vowels U, U, A, 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 A. And A. And very short A. This one is very short A. And A. These are the vowels. These sounds are coming singular. These are coming singular. That's why we are calling them as a monothongs. But in diphthong is different. In diphthongs we get two combination of a two vowel sounds. So how many monothongs we have in English? We have 12 monothongs and 8 diphthongs. Let us find out what are the 8 diphthongs in English. For example, if you take short E, three of the vowels are coming and ending at the place of E. A, E. The sound is generating at this part and it is gliding towards the sound E. The sound is generating at the place of half open, half closed manner. There we are pronouncing, and this received pronunciation is going and ending at the place of E. The received pronunciation, the glide in the direction of the received pronunciation RPI. Okay, for example, I as in day, day, a, e. Two vowel sounds are coming in the word day. We pronounce day, right? So it has to be day, day. Two vowel sounds are coming. Where it is gliding in the direction of E, it is gliding, it is starting position is here and it is ending at the place of E. Two vowels, with the combination of two vowels, we are getting diphthong. A and E is becoming A, as in day. And A long A, and it is ending at the place of E. I. I means what? By. By. Ba, E. By. I. A, E. I. A, E. Two vowel sounds are coming. It is becoming diphthong with a combination of A and E. The sound is generating at this place and that sound is ending, the sound is gliding towards the sound received pronunciation I, and it is becoming I. And this one is while you are pronouncing this A, we make our lips round. Another diphthong, it is starting at this place and it is gliding towards the received pronunciation I, and it is becoming I. A, I, A, O, E. In Telugu we call this as a OE. How we are pronouncing? While we are pronouncing this sound, we are stretching our lips. I, I. But while you are pronouncing this, we are making our lips round and it is gliding towards the received pronunciation I, and it is becoming OE, O-E, boy. How we are pronouncing? Two sounds we are getting, O-E, boy, right? Oil, oil, coil, oil, boy, coil, oil, or e. Two vowels are coming here. So that's why we are calling them as a diphthong. Three of the sounds are ending at the sound at the place of e. A, I, O. We know A as in day, or E as in I, or and E, O, E as in oil, boy. Okay, three are the sounds are generating at the different part and it is gliding towards the reserved pronunciation I. These three sounds are ending at the place of short E, right? Go for the another sound, a. This is a, right? And it is gliding towards the pronunciation, received pronunciation vowel sound a. A, 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 a. As in they are, T-H-E-R-E. We pronounce that as a there, but that has to be pronounced there, there. Care, K-R, K-R, care, care, care. Dar, care, air, a, air. We pronounce that as a air. It has to be pronounced with the diphthong sound air, air, air. Okay. Go for the next sound. E. The sound is starting at the place of E and it is ending at the place of A. E, A. Don't confuse with the arrows, don't confuse with these dots. In the previous class we have discussed about the monothongs, and in this class we are discussing about the diphthongs. Diphthongs means combination of a two vowel sounds. Two vowel sounds comes together in a word, that's why we are calling them as a diphthong. Group of the diphthongs ends with the E sound. Maybe it begins, the beginning of the sound starts at a different place, but three of the sounds are ending at the place of E. We know A, I, I, oi, oi. Three red arrows, find out three red arrows. These three sounds are ending, gliding, and it is receiving at the place of E. And notice green arrows, different sounds are ending at the place of A. A, A, they are, care, right? Next go for the E, A. Will you able to notice in which words we get this sound? E, A, E, A. Here, E, here, H-E-A-R, listen. Another word for this synonym, listen, here, here, E, A, here, E, A, here. Dear, D-E-R, E-R, dear. We are getting two vowel sounds. The sound is beginning at the place of E, but it is gliding and it is going in the direction of A. Here it is ending. The sound beginning at the place of E, but the sound is ending at the place of A. E, A. Right? Ear. Here. D-R. Deer. Fear. E-R. Fear. The word diphthong sound we able to notice in the word fear. E-R. Fear. Right? Let's go for another sound. Now we have finished with 3 arrows. 3 sounds are ending at the place of E and 2 sounds are ending at the place of A, central vowel. Sounds are ending, the sounds are generating from the front vowel and it is going and it is gliding towards the central sound, that is A. And remaining 3 sounds, please notice here. Ow. The word, it is starting at the center vowel, it is beginning here, the sound is beginning here and it is going in the direction of oo, going in the direction of a oo. This one is a and this is short oo, a oo. A oo as in how, a oo as in how, a oo are coming together, right? So this is a diphthong. Next, this one is long a and it is ending at the place of oo, back part, and front, the sound is generating at the front vowel and it is going and ending at the place of back vowel, that is short oo. The pronunciation is generating at the place of front part, front vowel, and it is ending at the back part. The tongue is gliding from front to the back. The received pronunciation is going in the direction from the front vowel to the back vowel. Right? What are the words for this sound? A, oo, ow, ow, ow. How, H-O-W, how are you? How are you? Ow, ow, how are you? Now, cow, bow. The sound we are able to notice in these words, how, ow, oo, cow, oo. 2 vowels are coming, right? Another last one is oo, last one is oo, the sound is ending at the place of a. Back vowel lo, the word, the sound is generating at the back vowel and it is ending at the place of center vowel a. Oo, oo, heroine ankado. This is another sound. This is not a heroine. This is another sound. Oo, we able to notice this sound oo, as in pure. Oo, pure, pure. We pronounce that as a pure. That is wrong. It has to be pronounced pure, pure. Sure has to be pronounced sure, sure, sure. Poor, poor. P-O-O-R has to be pronounced as a poor. Poor is a poor man. Ooh, as in poor. Sure, sure. Cure, right? So now we have finished 8 diphthongs. These 8 diphthongs are coming with the combination of 2 vowel sound. We know the word sound is where it is generating and it is ending at the different places. For example, if you notice 3 arrows, these 3 sounds are ending at the place of E, and 2 sounds are ending at the place of oo, and oo, oo, and last one is oo, as in pure. Let us find out a few more examples for the diphthongs, right? First one, We have discussed we have 8 diphthongs in English, right? First one is A-E. This sound has to be pronounced A-E. A-E as in day. It has to be day, not A. Okay, day. A, pay, great, made, make. A, pay, great, made, ape, 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 ape. The word sound is beginning at the part of A, and the received pronunciation, it is gliding from A to E. Two sounds are coming together, that's why ape. Nice. Go for the late, late, a eat, day, a day. Okay, pay, great, made, day. Right? Go for the OE. This one is O-E. O-E. O-E as in noise, 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 toy, choice, choice. OE sound as in noise, toy, choice, boil, coil, right? Coin, coin, coin. Kind kadu, this is not kind, it has to be coin. This sound has to be coin. Next, I, E, I, E, I, as in fine, like, might, E, E, I, as in what? Nine, we pronounce nine, right? Nine, night, fly, I-E, fly lo kuda we are getting two sounds, fly. Next, this one is A-U, ow, nose, stone, road, low, go, flow. Okay, these are the sounds, these are the words. Next, A-U, ow, round, oh, round, how, brown, cow, out, right? Town, ow, cow, ow, round, ow, round. Go for the next one, E-A, as in E-A, beer, here, steer, deer, here, fear, ear, clear. Is it clear? How many sounds in English? 8 diphthongs. We have 44 sounds, but we have 8 diphthongs. Is it clear? What is the meaning of diphthong? Combination of two sounds is called as diphthongs. E-A, clear, near, steer, here, beer. Last one is A-R, 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 as in care. What we pronounce generally, mother tongue influence people, what they pronounce keru. It is a wrong. It has to be pronounced care, K-R. They are, bear, there, air, air, share, care, K-R. Okay, I hope last one is eighth one. U-A, as in pure, sure, poor, poor, curious. This sound is U and A. U-A, pure, sure, poor, curious. We pronounce this as a curious. It has to be pronounced cure, curious, 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 curious. Right? Now we have finished vowel sounds in English. How many sounds we have in English? We have 44 sounds. In 44, we have 20 vowel sounds. 20 vowel sounds we have discussed till now. In the previous class, we have discussed monotongues. In today's class, we have finished diphthongs. We know what is monotongues, what is diphthong, what are the mouth organs. We know the symbols of the vowels. 20 vowel sounds. Till now we have finished. In next class, we are going to discuss about the consonant sounds. I hope you understood about the vowel sounds. In next class, we are going to discuss about consonant sounds. So in the previous class, I said you to write three words for the one sound, right? So I hope you are writing in your assignment books, and at the same time, please write 3 example for one word for the diphthongs. 8 diphthongs we have discussed today. For this 8, you have to write 3 words. Each sound you have to write 3 different words you have to write for the diphthongs also. I hope you understood this video. If you like my video, please share and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic.